We are grateful to the Vice Chancellor of Kabarak University, who has been with us throughout, and Mr. Paul Jimongorem, who represents the family in this planning. And we have compared notes at every point. We've walked through how the function will happen on Wednesday and what will be done. We are satisfied that the preparations are going on very well. The bits that are not done, we have agreed to increase the numbers of our security personnel and others who are involved in this so that we can continue to prepare the grounds. We have agreed that the deadline for our preparations will be tomorrow evening, so that by tomorrow evening everything will be in place here. We will do another round of inspection on Monday, and then we'll begin our rehearsals Monday afternoon and on Tuesday in preparation for Wednesday, so that while the national service is happening in Nairobi on Tuesday, our team will be doing rehearsals on what we are doing here on Wednesday to be sure that everything goes according to plan. I would like to say about two things. One, we are very, very grateful to our colleagues and the team on the ground, led here by our RC, and our colleagues from KDF who are working hard on this, because they have done a fantastic job. They are totally on top of things. Two, we are grateful to the Kabarak University community, led by the Vice Chancellor and the team from President Moi's office. Lee Njiru is here. We've built a very solid, synergized team that is working very well. We will be present here throughout. Our security team in all its numbers and our arrangements, as guided by our heads of the agencies, will be here throughout between now and even after the function, to be sure that everything continues well. We will have a comprehensive statement tomorrow from our Inspector General of Police on the movement of traffic, because it's going to affect movement of traffic in Nairobi, movement of traffic on the highway between Nairobi and Eldoret, movement of traffic in Nakuru area and its environs as we prepare for this burial.